Let's make some fun paper fortune cookies. Here you can see which circle diameter leads to which cookie size. We need a piece of paper, and I'm just using a tape roll for the circle. It has a diameter of about 8 centimeters. After cutting it out, we fold the circle in half, but only press down in the center of it. And with the mountain fold facing towards us, we turn the circle by 90 degrees. And then we apply a bit of glue at the bottom. Now we roll the circle around our fingers in a way that we can glue the ends of the circle together. Press it nice and tight so it cannot unroll. It's time to fill the cookie with a little message. The paper on which you write should be a bit shorter than the roll of your cookie, like 1 or 2 centimeters shorter. While holding the message in place, we're gonna put 2 fingers into the sides of the roll and then fold it. To make it look a bit more like a fortune cookie, we can take the front edges and press them a bit together. I'm applying a bit of glue in the center so that it really stays in the shape of a little fortune cookie. We can adjust it a bit here and there, and then we're done with our fortune cookie. Alternatively, you can also make some misfortune cookies for some extra fun. If you like this tutorial, please leave a like, and you can find more information on this craft in the description box.